Hello guys. Nangaon mi guys. So karon namin sa kuan Port Townsend. Port Townsend. Butog maklaro ba Port Townsend? Nasa Port Townsend. Look at that. Say hi. 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 You just awake? Are you just awake? Wow.
No?
Yeah.
Kinabanis tayo.
Bye-bye na.
Bye guys! See you later. Later we're gonna ride a ferry and then I'm just gonna give you a little pic, okay? Bye!
So karon namin diri sa Port of Townsend. Port of Tamay.
Hi!
Port of
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Hi mga badi!
So,
Mga badi na, may diri na sa kuan.
skill kay mga balay diri guys. Guys, so. Kay mga balay guys. Nagulit niya sila.
No kay mga badi. Luluman na din.
Yeah. So, ano na.
What do you think how many ano na na?
Lang. Tahas kalila.
Hi guys. Picture sa diri
Water,
guys.
water. A water.
Uy! Uy ka. Suksok na yung ulo.
A water.
No, dali na ta.
Is that a water?
Makalipong no?
Hello, winto gan Abraham minaputong kon.
Balik kita ba?
Lagi. Yeah, tanaw ra ko na oh. Sa kalalo. Laom na gani drop pa lang.
Wala kayo dito.
Yeah. Tanaw sila guys sa kalalo.
Ibang ka ba lang? Ay, saba kayo. Hala!
Suksok niya yung ulo niyo.
Suksok ka na niya yung ulo. Kita ka wala?
Fish?
Is it fish?
See a fish?
This is your first time, Dad?
Na.
Sa kay boat?
No, pali na to tagsamal.
I mean, yeah. Philippines yan to pero...
Oh yeah, diri. It's my first time.
Dad, it's go price ferry, Dad.
Ah, ito ra subway. Oh. Gabriel, bin ako to? Ang kuhan? Ang balik ko na ko?
Oh, dali na ka, alam. Balik.
Sige, naputan. Sige na.
Bao na.
I did already. Asa yung phone mo? Dala ni mo. Mapo kayo. Take a picture? Wow. So gwapo. What's that? A water. A water.
A water.
Lubat ako. Isda sa lang battery. Bye-bye na.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good job. So what's up guys? What's up guys? Mami.
Hi.
So karon dira oh. Nagahulatan ng ferry so
I hope makasakay na may anak.
we do hope na makasakay may anak. Okay.
Really?
Yawa ang
Balik Seattle na magilak.
ay siya.
Hindi kayo diri guys, walang gikamera lang mo diri nga na side.
Mga ko na siguro mga almost 2 hours may nagulat diri para lang makasakay anak. Yay! We got in! What? Ay, ngit-ngit man. What? We got in!
Hi guys! We got in guys!
What? Woot woot! Woot woot! Hey, mommy. We got in, we got in.
We got it! We got it! We got it!
Ikaw na namin yun. I-fix na lang to. Yay!
We're so busy now.
Ay, bro. Yay! We got it inside. Watch your step. Watch your step. One more, one more. Yeah! Kasali kami sa Lucky 6. Putang ina. Yawa, sabi pa niya. Sabi pa ng lalaki, men. Oh, maybe.
Pagkapasok ng mga kinalo sa bahala po na. Ay, hindi na dito pwede. Ha?
Ay, crow only lang pala to. Tayo na.
What?
Dan lang pala. Wrong way, wrong way.
For the safety, security, and comfort of passengers, crew, and galley employees, the use of abusive or offensive language to yourself coworkers or
Whee!
passengers is strictly
Look at that.
violating this policy.
Yee!
Is no trespass ordered by law enforcement. This means you may be convicted for visiting
Let's go outside. Wee! Wee! Look at that, oh. It's our first time.
This is my second time.
Wow.
Yeah,
Sana all.
no, yung first time ko nang pagkapunta ko dito.
Okay.
2017.
Wee! Wow! Hi, mommy. Be careful, ah.
Now you can sing. Row, row, row your boat.
Mami, nasa mo akong phone, no?
Yeah. Look.
Be careful, ha? Wow, look at that, oh. Whee! Mugani. Whee! Yay! Dagway, oh. Close iyang kon, mi. Close iyang kon.
Dito sa siya. Mas mura ka.
Okay. Close.
Wait lang.
No, close, be close. No, kani dedre.
Ako sa ganyan, nakay. Ano yung uragan? So kita ang lucky 6.
Lucky 6 ta.
Kano man? Kita tayo dapat.
6. Ana siya, maybe daw masulod pa niya ang 6 ka buok.
Tapos?
O to. I-confirm pa. Go. Uy, dili ka. You cannot see? Okay. Whee! Can you say wee? Ooh, it's cold.
Sabihin, harang naman itong mga to. Let's go to the other side. Right there.
Sorry po. Kikidean po. Sorry po. Ayan.
Ano to papunta?
Las Piñas. Look at that Liam Dodo. Whee!
Picture rin, may dad.
Ha? Yan na. Sana. Thank you. Ah! Yay! We made it! Nama siya kung phone, no?
Yeah.
Hi, mommy.
Hi!
How's the feeling?
Happy.
Feeling mutual?
No, happy. Yeah,
Ready, go! Careful, ha?
Lagi ka ang pagdara sa ba?
Ha?
Sasaw na ba dulong?
Copeville nga. Copeville. Copeville. Yeah. What's that, Khalil?
Wanna go?
Alright, mommy. Can you say bye-bye first? So we will just enjoy the, no? What
The
can you
view?
say? What can you say about this? Go on.
I'm very happy.
Yay! Cheerleaders.
Ano first, iyak. Muntik nang umiyak, guys.
Yan na, mag-bye na.
Bye bye, guys. We're gonna enjoy the view muna, and then we'll see you later.
Bye.
Hello, guys. We're here again. We are going to have a
Sana.
ride. We're gonna go galat.
Sana all, no?
Ha?
Oo.
Gani, no? Sana all!
Nakamunlok.
Sana all nakamunlo. Kami side rook.
Kana eh.
Kada mo nang ano, kanang papilit. Dari po dati, oh, yan na po nato siya dari. Pwede ba? Ayan na. Ang ganda ng simoy. Eat. Drink, ha? Drink. Tanawin mo, anak.
Let's go. Palungan.
Let's go, guys! This is the part 2. Say bye, Daddy!
Bye.
Turn it up!
Is that my phone? We're in Deception State Park.
I don't have your phone.
Tara.
Una na kayo,
Okay. Hi, mami. So, guys, meron sa ako na po, guys. Oh, sa Deception Pass. So, look, there's a bridge. And then, in order for you to go, bantay ha, be careful. Slippery. Where are you going? Ha? Oh, it's slippery, man. Oh, napodra ako sa tabi. Oh, wow, good shot. Just go ahead. Wow. Look at that. Hi, mommy.
Hi!
Wow, di diri. Damn. So nice here. Look at that. Wow. Napahike bigla ba daw? Hike man ba kayo eh? Hike man kayo eh. So we'll go down. We're going down. Or madto lang ta dito sa kuan. Gwapo dito mi oh. Lami ang motoran doon eh. Ay! Hala, mami, muna yung nakita sa Facebook. Look! No, muna itong nakitaan. Slide mo ha. Mo ba ni me? Mo masiguro ni me? Whidbey Island me? Look! Wala na sila sa ubos me. May tao to sa ubos. Wow, look at this, oh. The sunset, oh. Hey! Are you hiking too? Oh no, oh no. Be careful, slow down. Oh, sus, ganahan kini siya mag-hike yun. Hala yun.
You go that side. You go this side so makagunit si mami, okay?
No? Oh, sus, nag-hike man yung bata. Uy. Oh, mag-slide mo dua, ha? Up, slow down. Oops, mami. What's your step? Bababa kita? Ha? Wait siguro. Okay no, tanaw, look.
But look, it's wonderful there, no?
Yeah.
It's not going to be halfway between him and I, but at least
Mami
going
sila.
down here.
Hello.
Hi. Hmm? I don't know. I don't know how long. But what do you think? Oh, sus, tarami. You like hiking there? So you wanna go with Papa? Huh? You wanna go hike with Papa? Oh, sus, mami. Oh, sus, don't look at me. Oh, ay, sus. Sige daw, pasag daw sa pababa niya. Ako lang ikat.
Uy, buang.
Sige daw. Up, slow down. Wow. Good job. Slow down lang ga. Good job. Whoa, good job. Up. Yay, good job. Good job. Gunit.
Sige dan, baba lang ta.
Baba lang ta? Naman tayo, discovery pass. I have one.
Ako ba para worth travel gani?
Wow, nag-hike. Bigla ang hike, bay. Buya, tabi tawon. Panami ni. Oh no, sakit to. Oh no, you okay? Are you okay? Wow. You okay? Okay. Good job.
Para isahan na kami kakloy. Batang. Dali raman dati o tara nanday ba o? Nanday dito ba? Iharap na lang nimo dad.
Ha?
Iharap na lang nimo.
Okay. Iharap daw. So, uy, nanawag sila guys.
Hi guys.
Latin. Left. To the left. Ooh. To the left. Ooh. Tabi. Hi guys. So karon bigla ang kuan siya guys. Because this guy right here, this little guy loves walking. He loves doing this stuff right now. Mag-hike. So ngano nag-vlog man mi guys. Tabi. We just wanna, we just want to enjoy every moment, capture every moment. Wow, good job. It's time to buy hiking shoes, Khalil, for you.
For both of us.
For both of us, I mean.
Three of us, I mean.
I have one.
No, you don't.
Oops. Oh no. Careful. It's okay.
Ano ka bubu? buhit.
Tanggalan na yan, kuan mi. Yang hoodie. Hoodie. Not that one.
Ano? Mata.
Tarong ako na.
Let me see. Wait, hold on. Ayun, no running, Kalil. No running. Okay, no running, wait lang. Hold on. Ay. No running, wait lang. Wait.
Can you wait for mama? Can you wait for mama? Mama's gonna fix. Mama's gonna fix. Okay, go. Go. Tabi. Oh.
Hi. Iharap lang lagi para mapil kasama ko.
Hmm? Tabi. Video na lang ko gamay. Kalil. Slow down lang. Pakugos na. Kugos. Kaya na mama? Hmm? Wala na set up ang lighting ini guys. Sana makadto lang sa paruroonan. Wow. Come on. I'm following you and mama, huh? Whoa, look at that. Go here, left side. Yeah, tabi. Pugod dito eh. Whoa. Hey. Oops. Oopsie. That the bridge. Wow. Mas gwapo pa ni kaysa gadto na to sa kuan mi. Sa Oregon. No? Wow. Sekali. And then the bridge right there, and then we park over like somewhere like hindi po si Kalil buyak. Hike ka Kalil. Nag-hike ka Kalil. Wow. Worth it kayo ba? Matag 5 AM. Oh, oy, don't get close. Too close. Hey, mami. Hi, Kalil. Hey, sige lang sa amin. Sige lang.
Meron ko ikot ko.
No
touching, okay?
Magkaroon ko naman siya. Baktas.
With the, ano ba?
Ha?
Mo siya Japan. Japan nag-igdaan sa mga ikagawa.
Wala signal re. Wala. May matumba na may. Mo po may matumba mi. Kau sila. Right there. Right in front of us, bro. Oh! What's that? What's that, Baba? What happened? What happened? What's that? Uh-oh. 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 Kano to video na dere? Magkon kami, selfie kami. Okay na. Enjoy, we'll just enjoy the moment, mommy.
Enjoy the moment, and this is the peak of our adventure for today. This is the final destination of our what is that called? The adventure. Here you go. We're gonna see you later. Bye.